Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a ClickUp chart dashboard. Chart dashboards are a great way to turn raw task data into clear, visual insights, helping you quickly understand progress, workloads, and performance at a glance. Whether you're managing multiple projects, tracking team progress, or simply want a clear visual overview of your work, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp account and go to any of your lists. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Add View. Click on it, then select Dashboard and choose a Quick Start template. With just a few clicks, your dashboard will start coming to life, giving you immediate insight into your work and helping you track key metrics. Next, click on Add Card to customize your dashboard. You'll see options to include charts, graphs, lists, and more. For example, you can create a time tracking dashboard to centralize billable hours, monitor progress, and simplify reporting. Or, if you're managing projects, set up a project management dashboard to track tasks, monitor deadlines, and see real-time updates on your team's activities. For software development or sprints, the sprint reporting dashboard shows progress, bottlenecks, and team workloads. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you select the space or project you want to track, choose the relevant timeframes, and decide which cards or widgets you need most. Doing this beforehand saves time and ensures your dashboard is relevant and actionable. Once you've completed these steps, click into any element on your dashboard to drill down into details, explore data further, and make informed, data-driven decisions. After that, you should be able to monitor your work, track progress, and gain complete visibility across your projects without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to experiment with AI features, which can help you ask questions about specific tasks or highlight important insights automatically. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a ClickUp chart dashboard easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking to improve their productivity. Why not make someone's day easier?